Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. Pretty Pink Posh has a brand new release and it's all about Christmas. If you're looking to add some fun new Christmas products to your collection, check out Pretty Pink Posh's October 2023 release. I believe this is their largest release they've ever had. So let me show you everything that's included. And if you are interested in any of the products, I do have links provided in the description box below. They have 5 new confetti shaker mixes. The first one is Jolly Santa Mix. Next we have Christmas Tree Mix. I love the soft colors. The next one is Candy Cane Lane Mix. Then we have the 2 shaker bead sets, which are really fun. This first one is called Christmas Magic. Then we have the traditional Christmas colors, and this one is called Christmas Cookie. Now I'll move on to the stamp sets. The first one is called Winter Birds. Lots of sweet bird images and 2 sentiments. We have Tweetest Christmas Wishes and Fa La La La. And there are also coordinating dies for all of the images on the stamp set. The next set is called Christmas Dinosaurs. Lots of adorable dinosaur images and Christmas decor, plus the sentiment Merry Rexmas. There's also a coordinating die set to go around all of the images. The next stamp set is called Christmas Cupcakes. There are 6 different adorable cupcakes. There's a snowman, a Santa, reindeer, little Christmas tree, gingerbread, and some holly. And there's also a coordinating die set. I love the reindeer cupcake with the 3 candy canes on the wrapper. Super cute. The next stamp set is called Holiday Stockings. There are 4 different stocking images, plus lots of other Christmas icons. There are also 2 sentiments, Jolly Wishes and May Your Holiday Be Filled with Joy. And you can also purchase the coordinating dies. The next stamp set is called Holiday Trees, and this is one of my favorites. There's an outline of 3 different trees. There's a solid piece for those trees and also some decorative pieces. So if you're like me and you don't color images, this is the perfect set. And there's also a coordinating die set, so you don't need to do any fussy cutting. The next stamp set is all sentiments. It's called Sentiment Strips Christmas. I love having these smaller sentiments to mix in with the stamped images and die cuts. Now moving on to the die sets. There's a new hot foil plate, Merry Christmas script. If you're not into hot foiling, there's also the die set, Merry Christmas Shadow. And the shadow outline works with the hot foil set. And you can also buy just the word Merry with the new die set, Merry script. This would be fun to mix in with some of the stamp sentiments. The next sentiment is Happy Holidays. There is a hot foil plate and also the shadow set. And again, the outline on the shadow set works with the hot foil sentiment. The next die set is called Stocking Shaker. We have a large stocking image with all the fun stitch detail and a little tree. Then we have Holiday Birds, and these are so sweet. 3 different birds. I love all the stitch detail. And the set includes a tiny hat and also a scarf for your birds. Gotta keep them warm. There's a new shape set. This one's called Eyelet Rectangles. There are 4 different dies included. And right along the inside edge is a fun stitched frame. There's a new mug edition set. This one's called Holiday, and it's super cute. You can decorate a Santa mug, reindeer. There's little trees to put on top of the stir sticks. Santa's belt. There's a tag, the sentiment Joy. There's a bow, a peppermint candy, and some foliage pieces. This set looks so fun. The next set is called Love from Afar, and I really like this set. There's the large stitch circle that has little waves and the pieces to create Earth. There are some small bird, trees, and heart images and 3 sentiments: joy to the world, love from afar, and peace on Earth. The next die is a single piece. This is Pure Snowflake. It'll cut out an A2 size background and add some fun stitched snowflakes all over it. Here's another really fun die set. It's Tree Cover Plate. The main piece will cut out an A2 panel with 9 stitched tree outlines, and there's a variety of different trees with fun detail. I think this will be a fun die set for making quick Christmas cards. The next die set's a little larger. It's called Build a Stocking. Very similar to the stamp set images, but this is a die set. There are several different stockings, different sizes. You can add different decoration at the top of your stockings, and you can fill them with all kinds of fun goodies. There are 5 new stencil sets this month. The first set is a single stencil called Winter Words. It has lots of different Christmas sentiments: merry and bright, holly jolly, and joy. The next set is called Layered Christmas Trees, and there are 3 stencil layers. Then we have Layered Candy Canes. There's 2 stencils in this set. Next we have Layered Winter Wreath. There's 3 stencils in that set. And the final set is Layered Stockings, and there are 3 stencils in this set. There are so many fun new products in Pretty Pink Posh's Christmas 2023 release. It's hard to choose a favorite. If you are interested in any of the products I showed in this video, I do have links provided in the description box below. To help celebrate the new release, Pretty Pink Posh will be having a big blog hop and also an Instagram hop, and I am participating in both of those. So stay tuned to my channel. I have some videos coming up. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.